Working at heights is a necessary part of many jobs, but it's got its own set of risks, and the stakes are literally higher. Whether it's navigating scaffolds, ladders, or elevated platforms, the potential for serious injuries from falls is always there. And the risk isn't limited to construction sites, but also warehouses, manufacturing facilities, and even retail spaces with high shelving. The danger isn't just about falling from these heights, it's also about objects potentially falling from above. That's why OSHA has specific requirements for both. First, to protect workers from falls, OSHA mandates guardrails for open edges in various situations. In general industries, any open side of a walkway or a platform 4 feet or more above a lower level must have guardrails installed. The height requirement increases to 6 feet or more in the construction industry. Guardrails typically have a top rail at 42 inches high, mid rails, and can withstand a 200-pound force. Safety nets should be installed for working surfaces more than 25 feet above a lower level to catch falls, but they're not a substitute for guardrails. When working at heights where guardrails or safety nets aren't really feasible, OSHA requires the use of personal fall arrest systems like harnesses and lanyards. These systems need to be properly fitted to each individual, regularly inspected for wear and tear, and used according to the manufacturer's guidelines as well as OSHA standards in order to be effective. Then, to protect against falling objects, employers should also install toe boards around open edges of elevated work surfaces. These toe boards prevent tools and materials from rolling, sliding, or being accidentally knocked off. In areas where overhead work is being done, canopies can provide additional shield for both workers and equipment from anything that might fall from above. We also need to consider the risks associated with openings and vertical access points, like ladders and stairways. Any open sides or unprotected holes pose the risk of falls. OSHA standards require that these access points be secured and properly guarded. That includes making sure ladders are on stable ground, stairways have even steps and handrails, and all open sides or holes are protected with guardrails or covers to prevent falls. For added safety, you can also use self-closing safety gates or offset entrances at ladder or stairway access points.